In this video, we will talk about how to remove fake Mcafee virus pop-up notifications in Microsoft Edge and Chrome. For Microsoft Edge, right-click on Edge and select Open. On the top right, click on three dots. Scroll it down. Select Settings. On the left, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll it down. Click on Site Permissions. Then select All Permission. Click on Notifications. Scroll down and Allowed to Send Notifications. Click on three dots next to Suspicious Websites and select Remove. For Google Chrome, right-click and select Open. On the top right, click on three dots. Scroll down, select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down, click on Site Settings, and select Notification. In Allowed to Send Notification, click on three dots next to Suspicious Websites and select Remove. So that's how you can remove fake Mcafee virus pop-up notifications in Microsoft Edge and Chrome. See you in the next video.